When it comes to finding a vacuum cleaner that truly delivers on every promise, Aetheros-IE.com has absolutely exceeded all expectations with their remarkable product. From the very first moment I unboxed this vacuum cleaner, I was struck by the attention to detail in its design, packaging, and overall presentation, which immediately conveyed a sense of quality and reliability. The build is sturdy yet lightweight, striking the perfect balance between durability and ease of use, making it effortless to carry it from room to room without feeling fatigued, even during long cleaning sessions. What truly sets this vacuum apart, however, is its extraordinary suction power, which is unlike anything I have experienced in other models. It effortlessly lifts dirt, dust, pet hair, crumbs, and even the most stubborn debris from carpets, rugs, hard floors, and even those tricky corners that most vacuums seem to miss. The suction is consistent and powerful, yet remarkably quiet, which allows for cleaning without disturbing others in the household, making it perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone who values a peaceful home environment. The design of the vacuum is equally impressive. The ergonomic handle and swivel functionality allow for smooth navigation around furniture, under beds, and along walls, and its compact form makes storage a breeze without taking up unnecessary space. The vacuum also comes with a variety of thoughtfully designed attachments, including specialized nozzles for upholstery, delicate surfaces, and tight spaces, which significantly enhances its versatility and ensures that no area of your home is left untouched. Another standout feature is the advanced filtration system, which captures even the tiniest dust particles and allergens, providing noticeable improvements in air quality and creating a healthier living environment. A feature that is especially important for anyone with allergies, asthma, or pets. The dust container is simple to empty and clean, and the washable filters make maintenance straightforward, ensuring that the vacuum remains at peak performance for years to come.